Hello guys, welcome to this video. On this video today, I'm going to be explaining to you how to create a background like this one for a flyer like this one. If you would like to get the complete video on how I designed this flyer, then I'm inviting you to join our masterclass, our graphic design masterclass, which lasts for 3 months, and you are going to be learning the basics of both Photoshop and Illustrator, and you are going to get a video that explains how to design this flyer from scratch to finish. But for now, we are just going to be creating the foundation of this design, which is going to be creating the background for this design. So to do that, I start by creating a new document, which is 2000 by 2500, and my resolution is always 300, as you would know. Make it vertical so it be like this, and click on OK. So the next thing that I would like to do is to bring in an image that I downloaded from Freepik, and you would see that Freepik is actually a site that you can use to get inspiration for your designs. So I'll bring it right to the top right here, and I'm going to click on background. I'll create a solid color, and I'm going to choose a color from the image that I brought in, that I downloaded from Pinterest. I'm going to choose a dark color. Yeah, I'm good with this one. And right here, I'm going to bring, oh sorry, before bringing in anything, I'm going to blur this lower part so that it blends with the background. So I'm going to just click on mask, and I'll click on the brush tool. I would increase the size. To increase the size, I'm just holding Alt and I'm right clicking and dragging to the left or right to reduce or increase the size. Now if I do the same thing, I'm going up or down, I am reducing or increasing the hardness. If I go like this, you see that the hardness is very hard, and right here it's faded out. So I'll always use 0 to create this blending that I want to create here. So I'll just paint over this lower part until I can't, sorry, my mouse disturbed. Okay, until I can't see any line again here. So I really like the smoothness and blending of this thing. The next thing is I'll bring in something that I downloaded from Google. I called it dust overlay. So if you just type dust overlay on Google, you're going to find something like this, dust overlay. It's always black and white. It's always advisable to download the black and white one so that you can come here and then you are either using lights, you see the effects, you're using screen, you see the effects, or you're using color dodge, you see the effects, or you're using linear dodge, you see the effects, or whatsoever you want to use. But I prefer color dodge for this design. Other designs I'm going to use screen or linear dodge. For this design I'll use color dodge. I'll just click on color dodge and I'll get this. Now if you turn this off and on, you're going to realize that there is a line that crosses here, which is the end point of our dust overlay. So I'm going to create a mask, hold my brush tool and still brush over here to just make it blend as well. So it blends now and it's kind of a seamless transition right here. Now I'll go Control Shift Alt and E to create a mask or a merge of every visible layer right here. I'll convert it into a smart object, and I'm going to go into filters, camera raw filters, and I want to increase the sharpness, increase the grain, and give it a vignette. Now this is it, and I can do this so I can be seeing the before and after. Oh god, what's happening to this thing? Sorry. Okay, now I'll first of all I'll reduce this again a little bit, a touch. I'll increase the exposure, I'll increase the contrast very well. I'll increase the contrast, and the texture and clarity, I'll increase it just a little bit. And going down, I have now the details. Yeah, for the details I'm going to increase the sharpness, like I said. I'm going to reduce noise reduction. I'm reducing it, and then color noise reduction, I'm also reducing it. So you can already see the before and the after right here. I really love the way it looks right now. Kind of seamless, kind of realistic, other than the other one that was just, So I'm also going to go down now to effects, and I'm going to increase the grain like I said. You can increase it all the way up right here. When you increase the grain, it increases the detail of your background at the end of your design. Like when somebody looks at it, it's very detailed and very nice. Now the vignette, I'll just take the vignette to the left so that these edges are going to be darker, so that the focal point is going to be okay. As you can see, this is the before. You can see it's not dark here. This is the after, it's a little bit dark here. You can also reduce it again just to see. If you reduce it all the way down, you'll see what it does, right? And you just have to reduce it a touch like this. Okay, I love it at -30. And I'll just click on OK, and it's going to take effect. And this is our background. This is our background, which is the foundation for our design. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to join our masterclass, use the contact on your screen, or just check the description of this video to get a link to my WhatsApp, and we are going to move from there. Okay, so after having this